experiencing one of the wildest, the most amazing days ever, teaching you once again the power of the price and the power of conservative trading. Finally, oil gave us solid conservative trade. Magic plays out. Your stop at break-even reversal zone is not far off. First target is in. Is everybody clear what to wait for? My amazing and beautiful students, I beg of you, you have no need to be counter-trend trader. You are not confined to trading room hours. Let's recap. S&P staged very powerful bearish formation. My bias remained bearish. We took it down, down, down. That was a bit of a pain as S&P reached the end of the minor trend. Is that clear? And then continued its collapse. This is serious conservative trading. What has oil done? Pay attention to where oil is now. We waited for oil to complete a pullback. I spelled out this level oil told us since Friday had been reached. We waited for the push to the upside and we took it down. But don't forget the fight that played out on oil this morning. Let's recap. This was extremely wild ride on oil. Picture perfect reminder the importance of reversal zone. We had the very, very long trade we could take up when the announcement came out and price staged very powerful collapse. The collapse was so volatile there was no point of entry we could touch. Until now. We took the short that's reversing from reversal zone as we knew it would, as we discussed. Once again, bias remained very, very bearish, very crucial and very powerful bearish formation in a play. So the fact that oil at the end of the minor trend is absolutely crucial to respect that. Oil breaking this level, it's heading down, 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 73.28 and 71.57. Oil will start staging very powerful formations in reversal zone. Oil heading south, traders. If oil blasting through reversal zone on my trade, my second target is in. Trail very, very carefully again. Don't forget it correlates with hourly chart. This is the most crucial formation you will ever see. That's why I explained was worth waiting for this trade. We completely expected it and we are seeing that buyers stepping in because combination of reversal zone and end of minor trend on hourly had been reached. And that's how price dances each and every time. Take a look. This is oil hourly, correct? Your trail currently 74.50. You know the importance of this level, correct? You know the chances of oil collapsing only play out after powerful, powerful fight here. And that's a reminder. That's what oil had done. We waited for this bullish pullback to complete and we took it down. But we know extremely well that this is crucial support level. So, we're trailing very, very carefully. Next level 74.31. Is everybody clear on the importance of playing by the rules? Is everybody clear? Good things in life are worth waiting for. Is everybody clear? Short trade on S&P and short trade on oil. We're completely by the rules. We're going into larger wave expansion. Oil blasting through the targets, traders. Next level 74.12. Reversal 3 had been broken. I went into the wave expansion. So again, 3 points on S&P. Trend traders. Oil gave us, news gave us a bit of a hiccup at the end of the minor trend. Exact same level where oil is currently, but oil is breaking. If it's breaking further down, it's gonna head until 73.28. But this is the levels that oil will respect first. We are out of oil as expected. Very, very important. The end of the minor trend continues in a play. And again, this is my projections further down that we'll review tomorrow. So let's take a look on larger time frames and let's see what to pay attention to and what to remember. Do not ever, ever, ever forget S&P is not far off from reversal zone. If you learned anything on oil and S&P this morning, this is S&P monthly. First time in 5 years, we're heading to reversal zone. You witness the importance of this level on S&P hourly, correct? Which means it's gonna get pretty darn exciting when S&P will come to this level. We'll start seeing two things: bearish corrections or bearish reversals. This was the last buying opportunity on S&P. Buying on S&P monthly inside the reversal zone, as you witnessed this morning, not a good idea. So, and that's where test of trader will begin next year, because S&P reminded you the power and volatility when sellers mean serious business, and so did oil. When selling pressure stepped in from reversal zone, how adorable is oil, respecting the end of the minor trend. And the fact that S&P monthly reaching exhaustion of the bullish trend, gold monthly reaching exhaustion of the bearish trend. Is that clear? Gold is not far off from very powerful 1100 area. Next year we're gonna start seeing buying opportunities on gold and selling opportunities on long-term indices and stocks we have only every 5 to 8 years. So, buckle up, a lot of excitement next year, and do not ever, ever, ever forget, shorting gold way too late if you're a position trader. Shorting oil is bad idea. Oil on monthly at the end of the minor trend. None of the levels touched in 5 years. Pay attention to what happened last time in 2011. Powerful bullish rally. The same end of minor trend where oil monthly is exact same end of minor trend where we're closing room right now. It is 12:02 EST. Let's see what oil will do next. I'd love to be here on oil yesterday at the time of the news release. That's where it's gonna get interesting, but one step at a time. Level projected by the price since Friday is reached. Minor trend in a play. That was picture perfect reminder. Do you know and understand what not to enter into? Do you know and understand crucial Fibonacci levels that identify your entries, identify your targets? That remains the key. So today market structure reminded you extremely important thing to remain a trend trader. We had one trade on S&P today, trend trade. We had one trade on oil, trend trade. Markets were dancing in counter trend structure for hour and a half and continue to do so as we speak. So far this month, this is what we accomplished on S&P. 26 trades, 21 positive. 5 negative trades out of 26 were aggressive counter trend trades. Very, very important and very crucial to remember that. Pay attention to oil. 39 trades on oil, 29 positive. Most of the negative trades with 80% success rate are counter trend structure. If you're a knowledgeable trader, you're only trading with a trend. And that's the difference between knowledge versus being confined to trading room hours. So again, let me show you what happens next on S&P. Are you ready? Do not ever, ever, ever forget the importance of the levels. Do not ever, ever, ever forget what S&P tells you on very, very important daily chart. This is a level that S&P respects like no other instrument. And speaking of the devil, that's where our short ended on oil. 2B2B2. Formula remains the same. It doesn't matter what you trade. S&P bearish trend is here with vengeance. Let me show you my expectations on S&P next. S&P is heading next to do. We'll be looking to do very, very important levels only if rules are met. That's where S&P is heading next to 2059.75 and then 2055 and 2049, but one step at a time. You're witnessing what's happening on oil? Let's see what happens on S&P tomorrow. That's my projection and I'm sticking with that. Have a marvelous afternoon and have a beautiful Thanksgiving if I don't see you tomorrow. Next class starts December 1st.